Welcome to Work Abroad Insight, your ultimate guide to traveling, working abroad, and securing work permits. Whether you're looking for visa tips, job opportunities, or expert advice on immigration, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be showing you how to get a skilled worker visa to the UK, covering all the requirements, application process, and essential tips to make your journey smooth and successful. Subscribe now and start your journey with us. Let's make working abroad simple and achievable. The UK Skilled Worker Visa is a work visa that allows skilled professionals from around the world to work for licensed UK employers. It replaced the Tier 2 visa in 2020 and now includes jobs at RQF Level 3 or higher, equivalent to A levels in the UK. This is a long-term work visa, typically granted for up to 5 years, depending on the duration of your Certificate of Sponsorship, COS. If you change jobs or employers, you must apply for a new visa. Requirements: be 18 or older. Have a job offer from a licensed UK employer. Obtain a valid certificate of sponsorship. Have a job at RQF Level 3 or higher. Earn at least £38,700 per year or meet the going rate for your job. Prove your English proficiency. Show sufficient funds to support yourself. Application process: 1. Confirm your eligibility. 2. Get a certificate of sponsorship from your employer. 3. Gather required documents. 4. Submit an online visa application. 5. Pay the visa fee and immigration health surcharge. 6. Book and attend a biometric appointment. 7. Track your application progress. 8. Receive your decision. Processing time and fees. Processing: around 3 weeks for applications outside the UK, up to 8 weeks if applying within the UK. Fees: up to 3 years, £709 outside UK, £820 inside UK. More than 3 years, £420 outside and £636 inside UK. Path to permanent residency: after 5 years, you may be eligible for indefinite leave to remain (ILR), allowing you to settle permanently in the UK. The UK Skilled Worker Visa is your gateway to working and building a future in the UK. Start your application today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our other social media platforms for more updates and insight. Thanks for watching.